Don't you need more? Apart from the snowflakes, don't you need more?
No.
Do more other shapes.
No, it's Christmas time.
Yeah, do other shapes. Other shapes do at Christmas. We have other Christmas items. Hmm?
Snowflake? Yes, so let's make a lot of snowflakes because we're gonna make another bell. Yeah. And then we're gonna make another, I guess we will make another snowflake and another gingerbread man. Oh, you need help? Yeah, this is what to do. Yeah, you need some help. Seeing this part. Listen, it's hard. Fahrenheit. And
let it cool down. It's still hot.
Yeah, we have those. Oh, look at this big one.
Let it cool down.
Look, it's big. Yeah, let's
It's
we're
hot.
gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna scoop it up. Okay? Yeah. And then we're gonna taste it.
Okay.
So we let it cool for 2 minutes. Like a half minute.
Ibri, are you not eating your cookies? Okay, come this way. Let them see. It's good? You eat it? Is as good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, after the kids finished baking their Christmas cookies, I decided to make dinner, and I wanted to show you all how I make my pork chops. Okay, so this is me just adding all the spice in a bowl that I'll be using to marinate the pork chops. So I added ginger powder, curry, thyme, onion powder as well. I added cayenne pepper, or like we say chili pepper back home. So that's me adding the chili pepper in there. I added salt as well. So you can eyeball it or use a measuring spoon. At least I use a tablespoon of spices in each of the spice, at least a tablespoon of spice. And also I'll be adding milk also. So I'm using almond milk. You can use any kind of milk you like, whole milk, half and half, you know, 2% milk, 1% milk. You can add any kind of milk you desire. Okay, so you have to give a good stir and mix it properly. Make sure there's no lump in it. So this is what we'll be using to marinate the pork chop. Okay, you can also do your chicken like this as well. And if you'll be cooking steak, you can also use this method to marinate your steak. It goes so well and so delicious on the meat. So I'll be marinating the pork chops in the mixture, and I will let it sit for at least 2 to 3 hours before I will pan fry the pork chops. So this is just me just trying to make sure everything is well mixed. So now I'm adding the pork chops into the mixed herbs and spices, and I prefer to use my hand, guys, because the hand does the job perfectly. Okay, so if you choose to use a spoon, a wooden spoon, a tongue, go ahead and do that, but I just prefer to use my hand and make sure I massage the meat with all of those goodness. So make sure that all of the meat is coated in all of the spice and herbs. Okay, and you can let it sit in your fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours, or if you prefer to do this overnight, you can do it as well. So I was preparing this pork chops for dinner, so I let it sit for at least 2 hours. Okay, so now this is me pan frying the pork chops, and I use grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Okay, so I flip it at about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, so make sure each side is well brown and cooked, then you can flip it over to the next side. The pork chops came out so delicious, guys. If you are one of my subscribers and you don't eat pork, I am sorry, guys. Please just close your eye at this point. Just close it for a minute or two, and before you know, this clip will this clip will be gone. But I appreciate each and every one of you all the same. The pork chops, sometimes I have to indulge myself in eating pork chops. I don't do it all the time though, because you know, pork is high in fat. So I and my girls, we are the only one who eat pork in this house. My hubby does not eat pork at all. He's really trying to watch it. Anything other than chicken or fish, even beef, he doesn't eat. So I'm the one that will eat the pork chops and everything. So I had to scrape the pan so that I can start doing a new batch. So this is me just putting in new batch. Okay, guys, so just continue to do this until all of your meat is done and is ready for lunch or for dinner. So guys, dinner is all ready. I had mixed vegetables there, the pork chops, and also couscous. Okay, so that's what we'll be having for dinner. We had for dinner, and it was so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and come and thank me later. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay blessed and bye bye.